Hello friends, welcome to my channel EdUtech Idea. In the series of ITIL V4 Foundation, in this video, we will discuss about key concept of service management. Learning objective of this video, explain the terms used in service management, describe the key concept of creating values with services, describe the key concept of service relationship. So what is service management? Service management is a set of specialized organizational capabilities that enable value to customer in the form of service. To develop the specialized organizational capabilities, you must three things understand: nature of value, nature and scope, the stakeholders involved, value creation enablement through services. The purpose of an organization is to create value for stakeholders. Value. What is value? Value is defined as the preserved benefits, usefulness, and importance of something. Value co-creation. Traditional view of value delivery by organizations, a delivery company delivering a package to its customers. The relationship between the service provider and the service consumer is viewed as monodirectional and distant. The service provider delivers the services and the consumer receives value. The consumer plays no role in the creation of value for themselves. This view fails to consider the highly complex and interdependent service relationships. So, value is co-created through an active collaboration between provider and consumer. Organizations that deliver services are called service providers. Those receiving the services are called service consumers. So friends, in this video we understand the service management. In the next video of the ITIL, we will discuss about stakeholders of service management. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel EdUtech Idea. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.